Give the cards a shuffle.
Exactly like you.
You know what? However you feel comfortable shuffling the cards. That's the most important part here. I want you to be comfortable. Is that false cut?
It's not false.
Are you a layman?
I swear I'm a layman.
And I
just need to know that.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. This is the second take. He's done this before, but
it's still a good joke.
I'm breaking the fourth wall. Yeah. So what's the difference between a baby and a sandwich? No, I won't go there.
How?
Perfect. Now I'm gonna show. Now I'm gonna show you stretch cards. Oh no, sorry. It's actually a deadline. Who would have thought? Shuffle the cards, please. There's a guy behind the camera, extremely nervous, looking at me. He's threatening me now. He is HR. Okay, sweet. The cards are shuffled. Yes. Here we go. What did you do? Look, he's performing. He loves the Queen of Spades. The illusionists, they can't get enough of the Queen of Spades. It's crazy. We'll keep rolling because I don't want to waste Dwayne's precious time.
Hey, Yannick.
Hey, G. Nice to meet you, man. It's crazy. That way. It's perfect. All right, I'm going to actually, you know what? This is so fair. You can shuffle the cards.
Do I have to pretend to the camera I've never met you before?
Shh. Who are you?
Geraint.
All right, Geraint. He is a flourisher. I'm a flourisher, I want a marriager. And he dropped cards. He just dropped cards into his lap.
Was this your card?
It smells terrible. All right, here we go. We'll never get through this. Okay, yeah, we're true professionals.
Okay.
Nice. Is this your first time shuffling playing cards?
This is my first time.
Wow, is this the Sybil cut from Dan and Dave Buck, volume 14? You shuffled, you get it, right? Cards are shuffled. Fair. Miracle. Please.
You're the most frustrated magician I've ever met.
I hate these people so much. I just want to show magic. Put some pressure on you. I hate this. None of this is funny, but we'll go with it. We'll do it. Do you know Di Vernon, the professor?
Not personally, he died before I was born.
Yes, rest in peace, Double D. Here is the thing. So what we're gonna do? Okay, we're gonna do this now. Alright, final take.
You said no cuts.
Yeah, no. I'm going now. Alright, here we go.
Rest in peace, Double D.
It's DV, isn't it? Okay, welcome to the Magician's Fuller version of Deadline. We've got a magician next to us.
Hi.
It's the CEO of Illusionist. His name is Geraint, and now
That's not even my name.
he's gonna shuffle the cards.
In what way?
However you want to shuffle
However I
them.
want.
Yes, so this is take 42, but yeah, we haven't gotten to the ending of the trick yet, so hopefully we'll get through this. Okay, G, please take any card.